Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add photos to Gumtree message. To add photos on Gumtree message, the first thing you'll need to do is to open the Gumtree application and sign into your account. Now, tap on the menu button at the top left corner of the screen and tap on My Messages. Open up the message from the thread by tapping on it. Now once you open up the message with a certain seller or a buyer, go ahead and tap on the camera button at the bottom left, right in front of the text thread. Now allow necessary access for the app and then select a photo you would like to add to the message. Once you've done that, tap on the arrow at the top right and tap on the send button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add photos to Gumtree messages. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.